Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you. A regular customer of the workshop has come, who is looking for a second-hand van, a Citroen Zara Picasso 1600e, the one with 110 horses, and he has come with the owner of this van so that we can take a look at it before we buy it. Of course, as soon as I saw it, I told him that this is not the 110 horsepower one, that this is the 90 horsepower one, and the owner, well, he has discussed it, that he bought it years ago, and that it is the 110 CV1, that he is sure. Look at a very simple way of knowing it. I have taken a more detailed photo there, of the turbo. There it is. Look, this is the turbo, if you look closely. Here it has the actuator. I don't know if it will look good, and this is the actuator rod, which goes to the rear of the turbo, which means that this turbo has a fixed geometry, because it has a wastegate or discharge valve, and these have 90 horsepower. If the actuator, instead of being horizontal, would be vertical, then it would indicate that the turbo, here it would have, on the inside, the wings of the variable geometry, and this one would be 110 horsepower. It would go, as I say, vertically. But if it goes horizontally, this is fixed geometry, and these they all have 90 horses. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.